Good afternoon, all. This is Brahmam from Vijayawada. Today I am going to explain about atomic structure. We all know about atom. Atom is the basic fundamental particle of the matter. According to the scientists and ancient philosophers, whatever the form of matter you consider, whether it is solid, liquid, or gas, whatever it may be when you consider, the atom will be present in them. So, atom is known to be as the smallest particle that is available in the atom, that is available in the matter. So, matter consists of this more and more number of atoms. So, atom is the word which is derived from the Greek word atomio. Atomio is nothing but which is indivisible or uncuttable. Means we cannot cut further atom into number of parts, or we cannot divide that into further number of parts. That is the meaning of that. So, atom is very smallest that we cannot see with our naked eyes. Even with a microscope also is not possible to see. Only with an electron microscope we can have the enlarged version or high resolution picture of atom and what is inside the atom. Now, what is inside this atom that we can understand using this atomic structure lesson or topic. Now, let us see what is inside the atom. Is atom divisible or indivisible? These all concepts we can understand in this particular topic. And moreover that, we can also understand and we can also know about the people who worked hard to give the postulates related to the atomic structure. And we will be seeing the scientists who worked a lot to get the full clarity about atomic structure. Let us see the first slide. John Dalton. John Dalton's atomic theory, which was proposed the first atomic theory. Actually, we used to have one ancient Indian saint, Kanada. He used to give that the matter is nothing but it is Parmanu or Anu. This was given ancient. Later, the scientist has given their clarity about the atom. So one of them is John Dalton. You can see the postulates which are given by John Dalton. And he said that all the matter is made up of atoms. Atoms of one element are all the same. Atoms cannot be broken into smaller parts. Compounds formed by combining the atoms. So first point once you see, all matter is made up of atoms. So atom, if you consider any atom, like any substance you consider, okay, so any matter you consider, whether solid, liquid or gas, so it is made up of atoms only. The atoms are the smallest particles. Suppose you take an example of a chalk piece. When chalk piece is taken, if it is broken into pieces, let it be broken into very small pieces. Then you can see very small portion of it. If you are able to collect that small piece, collect it and then observe, then it probably might have be as the atom. But its size is very big enough, because you cannot touch the atom. Single atom you cannot take it easily, and you cannot identify single atom from the entire chalk piece, whichever the piece you consider. That is why atom is that much small, it is beyond our imagination. Atoms of one element are all the same. Suppose if you take any element, let us suppose take carbon. The carbon element, when you consider, all the atoms of carbon element are same, irrespective of the source of the carbon. Whatever the source you consider, whether it is from naturally, like from any form the carbon is taken, its elements, atoms are same. This element atoms are same throughout. And then atom cannot be broken down into the smaller parts. So we cannot divide further atom, or we cannot break atom into number of parts. similar, like small parts, like we cannot cut, like if you take any rock, we can make it to number of parts. So like that, we cannot break it into number of parts or small parts. Compounds formed by combining atoms. So we see many compounds in our nature, like H2O is a compound, NaCl is a compound, HCl is a compound, H2SO4 is a compound. These are all compounds when you observe. These all are formed by the combination of the atoms. When two or three atoms of different elements comes together and they combine together, then we'll be getting the compounds. So, compounds are basically formed by the combination of atoms. When we combine atoms, then we are able to form the compounds. So, these are the postulates told by John Dalton. So, probably he didn't give any kind of model, like this is the model of the atom, and atoms, if you consider, because he considered that